Hi everyone, my name is Ruben Shimonov and I am the National Director of ASF's Sephardi House and Young Leadership. I am here with one of our Sephardi House fellows, Netanel Schwartz. And just briefly to say a little bit about Sephardi House. So we are a national movement that was founded in 2020 for college students across the US, and we seek to infuse the wisdom, the vitality, the creativity, and warmth of the Sephardi spirit into Jewish life on campus, while also advancing Jewish unity, vitality, and pride on college campuses. As we look at different communities and figures from the greater Sephardi world, collectively they form this masterpiece. But each community, each story is its own tile. So for me, this is one way that I understand, and the way that we in our fellowship talk about unity through diversity is honoring the different tiles of the mosaic, while at the same time being able to take a step back and appreciate the entire masterpiece. Nathaniel, I'm curious what this means to you, this concept of unity through diversity, and what might be a Sephardic approach to this idea, and how it might look like on your campus and the work you've been doing as a student leader.
Yeah. To me, being a Sephardic Moroccan Jewish student, part of it for me, I think the approach of the mosaic and the diversity within the Jewish community has to do with not just showing what I have that's unique to the mosaic, what my piece is that other students may not know or may not be aware of, but it's actually bringing other students into that piece that I have, and that way sort of exchanging each other's unique pieces. And so it's not just sort of each side looking at the other side, but each side engaging in the other side, in the other pieces, approaches and unique holidays, traditions, ideas, thoughts about Judaism, Jewish identity, and culture. And on our campus, one thing that I've done this past year is Pizmonim. They sing every Friday Sephardic songs from all across the Sephardi world. And most people that come to this event every week are not Sephardi and are not maybe they're familiar with one or two of the songs, but they don't know most of them. And even most of the Sephardi students that come don't know most of the songs or didn't know in the beginning. But by the end of the year, we have about 20 students that know all of the songs. Even majority of them not Sephardi. And so to me, the point of it is that it's not just awareness. It's not just people knowing or learning it. It's not just learning, but it's also engaging. It's being part of it and not just showing what I have that's unique to the table, but actually bringing other people into that and showing them and offering a different angle into things. And sometimes I've noticed a lot of students that sort of feel bored with the way that Judaism feels in their life or Jewishness or their identity as Jewish students in general, and sort of offering each other these different angles and different approaches can actually change and revitalize that completely.
So by celebrating that diversity, ultimately we are enriching we're enriching the lives of Jews more broadly, and creating uh, deeper connections and more rich and multifaceted connections and entry points into Judaism, into Jewishness, into Jewish identity that can be relevant to all of us, regardless of our backgrounds. It can enrich all of our lives.
Exactly.
That's I'm with you, and that's really ultimately also what Sephardi House is about. It's about bringing different perspectives, approaches, wisdom, traditions, cultures, narratives that both lift up diverse Sephardic and Mizrahi stories, but also create an opportunity for everybody to tap into that and to be enriched by that, and to allow these opportunities to inform and enhance their own distinct sense of Jewish identity. Awesome. Great job to you. And kol hakavod.